Hello everybody, this is Miss Shannon. Today we're going to design a terrarium. Do you know what a terrarium is? A terrarium is a mini garden that is inside a closed jar or plastic container. It should be near light and can show the water cycle, which includes evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. This is a picture of the water cycle. Can you point to the word condensation? How about precipitation and evaporation? Now we'll talk about the parts of the water cycle. Evaporation is when heat turns water into vapors and those vapors rise into the air. Water can be evaporated from bodies of water or even from plants. Condensation is when water vapors turn into a liquid. That liquid can collect together to form a cloud, or the liquid can stick to a surface. Precipitation is when the water falls to the ground. The next 3 slides have your assignment, photos for what to do, and questions to reflect. Please pause the video as needed.